Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your math teachers from IYS school. This is our 7th online class of mathematics for class 7. Before starting our class, first I'm sharing some instructions. Please students listen it very carefully. The instructions are: don't raise hand during teaching. Ask questions at the end of the session only in chat box. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Fill your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for attending the class. Home tasks should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join session again within 5 to 10 minutes. And students, please during the lecture kindly turn off your video. Okay, today we are starting lesson number 7, chapter 12, that is the triangle. So the topics of the day are construction of triangle, steps of construction, cases of construction. Now, construction of triangle. A construction has 6 elements. They have 3 sides and 3 angles. We can construct the triangle having 3 different given cases. Case number 1 is the measure of its 3 sides, the measure of its 2 sides and the included angle, and the measure of one side and any 2 angle. For the construction of triangle, we have 3 different cases. Case number 1, 2, and 3. As we know that triangle has 6 different elements. Construction has 6 different elements, that is their 3 sides and their 3 angles. Sides and angles already we have discussed in the previous lesson. Okay, now for construction, I'm sharing some geometrical instruments that we need during the construction. So the first geometrical instrument is protector. How it's look like? This is protector. This is the first geometrical instrument which we will use in the construction work. So first you need protector. The second geometrical instrument, compass. It's look like this. All of you know. And the third one is ruler. Your simple scale for the measurement of triangle. Okay, we use a scale for the measurement for the baseline. We use compass for making an arc, and we use protector for angle. So these are the 3 geometrical instruments. Now, today we are going to start our exercise 12.1, that is on page number 165. Question number 1 and 2 already we have done. Now we are starting question number 3, that is construct the following triangles and write briefly steps of constructions. We have okay, we have done 2 things here, that is one thing is construction of triangle and the second is steps of construction. Case number 1. What is case number 1? The case number 1 is when measure of 3 sides are given. Simply it's mean that all the 3 sides are given. There is no angle in the question. Only sides are given. This is part number 1. Exercise 12.1, question number 3, part 1. And the case of part 1 is case number 1, that is when measure of all 3 sides are given. You can see this, that this is side number 1, AB, BC is side number 2, and AC is side number 3. So it's mean all 3 sides are given. So this is case number 1. Now, what is given in the question? The 3 sides are given in the question. first side is measurement AB equals to 7.5 centimeter. The second side is measurement BC equals to 6.6 centimeter. And the third thing is measurement AC equals to 5.8 centimeter. So these three sides are given in the question. Now we are starting our construction work. We always start our construction from baseline. Baseline means the main line of the construction. Now this is called a baseline. We draw a baseline of 7.5 centimeter and it's a start from A to B. The starting point is A and the ending point is B. So draw a baseline of 7.5 centimeter from A to B. This is the baseline of 7.5 centimeter and it is starting from A till then B. Now write down the steps of construction one by one. What we have done in step number 1, we have drawn AB 7.5 centimeter. Now the second step, after baseline, what we have to do, A as a center. Let's suppose that A is a center. So put your compass on point A. We will use compass. What we will use? Compass. Put your compass on point A and then make an arc of 5.8 centimeter. Make an arc of 5.8 centimeter like this. Put your compass on that point A and open your compass 5.8 centimeter, then make an arc. This is the arc of 5.8 centimeter. Now this is point C. Where we put arc, this is point C. Now B as a center. B is another center with radius 6.6 centimeter. Draw another arc intersecting the first arc at C. Now put your compass on point B. What we have done in the second step, we put our compass on point A. Now in the third step, put your compass on point B. Open your compass 6.6 centimeter. It is given in the question. From B to C, the measurement is 6.6 centimeter. So put your compass on point B and then make an arc of 6.6 centimeter. This is an arc of 6.6 centimeter. We have done 3 steps. Number 1, draw a baseline of 7.5 centimeter. Then put your compass on point A. Make an arc of 5.8 centimeter. Again put your compass on point B. Then make an arc of 6.6 centimeter. Now the last step is joining the line from A to C and B to C. Join A to C and B to C, then our required triangle will be constructed. It means that use ruler for joining the line like this from A to C. Join the line from A to C and now B to C. So this is the required triangle A, B and C. Okay, now I'm repeating the steps one more time for your more clarification. Kindly listen it very carefully. What we have done, first we have to draw a baseline that is 7.5 centimeter. And baseline is starting from A to B. This is point A, this is point B, and we have drawn 7.5 centimeter baseline. Now as we know that A is a center point and also B is the center point with radius. So what we have to do, for first we have to put our compass on point A and make an arc of 5.8 centimeter. Open your compass 5.8 centimeter, then put your compass on point A, make an arc of 5.8 centimeter. Now, the second thing which you have done is this. Put your compass on point B, open your compass 6.6 centimeter. Open your compass 6.6 centimeter, then put it on point B, make an arc of 6.6 centimeter. Now, this is the second step. Now, in the last step, what you have to do, the last step is join the lines A to C. Join the line from A to C and then join the line from B to C. Okay. For your baselines, we need ruler. For joining the line, we need ruler. For making an arc, we need compass instrument. And for making an angle, we need protractor. But in this question, we don't need protractor because no any angle is given in the question. All sides are given. When all sides are given in the question, we don't need protractor. There is no use of protractor in this question. So this is our question number 1, case number 1, in which all sides are given. Kindly students, take the screenshot. Okay. Now, now it's time to discuss our case number 2. Case number 2 is little bit different from case number 1. How it is different? In case number 1, we have 3 sides, but in case number 2, the measure of its 2 sides and the included angle. It's mean in case number 2, we have 2 sides and 1 angle. In case number 2, we have 2 sides and 1 angle. Look at this question. This is part 5. Now you can easily see that this is side. AB is known as side. AC is known as side. But this, what is this? This is not a side. How? This sign represents angle. This symbol represent angle. So it's mean in this question we have 2 sides and 1 angle is given. So this is our case number 2, in which we have 2 sides AB and AC and 1 angle. Angle is angle A is given in case number 2. Now let's start the construction work. What is given in the question? Measurement AB equals to 7.3 centimeter. Measurement AC equals to 5.8 centimeter. And the third one is angle, that is 60 degree. Now what we have to do? Simply we start our construction work from baseline. We have already discussed in the previous slide that we always start our construction work from baseline. So first we have to draw a baseline, that is 7.3 centimeter. It is given 7.3 centimeter baseline. And what is the starting point? A, and the ending point is B. So in step number 1, we have to draw a baseline of 7.3 centimeter from A to B. Write down the steps one by one. What we have done in step number 1, we have drawn a baseline 7.3 centimeter. Now, step number 2. This is our first point, that is A. At A, make an angle of 60 degree. It is given in the question. Now in this question, we will use protractor. The use of protractor is making an angle. Put your protractor on point A, then draw a point of 60 degree angle. Put your protractor on point A, draw a point of 60 degree angle. Okay, when you make an angle, it is better to draw a line larger than an angle. Let's suppose your 60-degree is on this point. This point is 60-degree. Increase your line. Okay. Now, when you increase the line, this is a new point. And we call this new point as different alphabet like X, Y, Z, M, and whatever. I use here X. So this new point is known as X, and the point where 60-degree angle is present is known as point C. Now, this is a new point. Show the new point with arrow X. Now, join B to C. Where you put, where you make an, where you make a point of 60-degree. Now, join from there B to C, and then measure the length from A to C. It is automatically 5.8 centimeter. Now join all the lines and a required triangle has been constructed. So in this question, what we have done, I am repeating the steps. In step number 1, what we have done in step number 1, we have drawn a baseline of 7.3 centimeter. Then put your protector on this point, that is point A, because angle A is given in the question and angle A is of 60-degree. One more thing is that which we have already discussed in the previous class, that if the angle is acute, it means that angle is less than 90-degree, we draw it on the right side. You can see that we have drawn it in the right side. But if the angle is greater than 90-degree, it means that it is obtuse, then we will draw it on the left side like here. So remember these points, these are important points for the construction work. Okay. Now, first we have drawn a baseline of 7.3 centimeter. Then put your protector on point A. Make an angle of 60-degree at point C. Now, again put your compass or put your ruler on point A. Draw a length of 5.8 centimeter. After this, join all the lines A to C and then B to C. So your required triangle has been constructed. This is our case number 2, in which we have two sides and one angle is given. Now, case number 3. Case number 3 is the measure of one side and any two angles. Case number 1, all three sides. Case number 2, two sides and one angle. And case number 3, one side and two angles. This is part number 8. Question number 3, part 8. Okay, this is a side. One side and angle A, angle B, it means two angles are given in the question. Okay, look here. What is this? Measurement angle A equals to measurement angle B equals to 45. Only one angle is given 45. It means this equal sign represents, this 45 represents the value of both A and B. It means angle A is also 45-degree and angle B is also 45-degree. So AB, the side is 8 centimeter, angle A is 45 and also angle B is 45. This equal sign represents 45 is the value of both A and B. So this is our case number 3. Now we are starting the construction work of our case number 3. What is given? One side, that is A to B 8 centimeter. Then angle A and angle B is 45. First, a very first step, which we have to follow is draw a baseline of 8 centimeter from A to B. This is point A and this is point B. Use ruler for baseline. Now, what we have done in step number 1, we have drawn a baseline of 8 centimeter. Now, at point A, we have two angles, A and B. First, we will draw angle A, then we will draw angle B. So, put your protector. We will use protector again and again. I am repeating. For angle, we will use protector. For an arc, we will use compass. And for measurement of length, we use ruler. So when we have angle, we don't need compass. We need compass in only case number 1, that is when all three sides are given. In this question, we don't need compass. We only use ruler and protractor. So draw a baseline of AB 8 centimeter. Then put your protractor on point A, make a point of 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle is an acute angle because it is smaller than 90-degree. So it is understood that 45-degree is an acute angle. So we will draw it on the right side. We will draw it on the right side. Put your protractor on point A. Make a point of 45-degree angle. This is 45-degree angle. As I have already told you in the previous construction that use a larger line. When we make an angle, we use a larger line and we represent it as a arrow. This arrow represents, it shows that this is the line of an angle. Now, put your protractor on point B. Uh, this is point C. It is understood that the third one point is always C. Now put your protractor on point B. Again, make an angle of 45-degree. At point B, making an angle of 45-degree. When two lines intersecting each other, we give them a new name, that is, it should be X, Y, Z, A, B, C, whatever you want to write. But the new lines which intersect each other, we always give them a new name. So in the last, join A to C and then B to C. The required triangle is constructed. So in case number 3, what we have done, we have one side and two angles are given. Side is always given in any case because the baseline is very important for construction of triangle. Now repeating the steps. Step number 1, draw a baseline of 8 centimeter. Step number 2, at point A, make an angle of 45-degree. Put your protector on point A, then make an angle of 45-degree. Again, put your protector on point B, make an angle of 45-degree. Now, in the last, join A to C and then B to C. So, this is our required triangle. Okay, now I am sharing home task. Kindly note down the home task which you have done in your geometry copy. Home task should be done in your geometry copy. The steps of construction you have to write in your line copy, and the construction of triangle you have to draw on interleaf page. Now, home task page number 165. As we know that exercise 12.1, you have to do question number 3, part 3. Now you have to identify it by your own self that which one case is this. Part 3, it is case number 1, 2 or 3 you have to identify. Part number 8 and part number 10. You have to do these 3 questions in your fair copy. Note down the home task, take the screenshot if you are using mobile phone. It is better to save a time. Okay. After a few minutes, again, I will show you the home task. Now, okay. One thing which I want to show. Look at this. What is this? This is a protector. Now, this is the center point of protector. This is the center point of protector. Now, the right side of center point is known as acute angle, and the left side of protector is known as obtuse angle, and the center point is known as right angle. How? It is starting from 0 till then 90, and from 0 till then 90 angles are known as acute angle. Now this is the center point, 90 degree. The exact 90 degree is known as right angle, and the left side is starting from 90 till then 180, and the angles between 90 and 180 are known as obtuse angles, like 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 60, 70 till then 80. The angles between 90 and 180 are obtuse angles. The angle between 90 till then 0, starting from 0 till then 90 are acute angles, and the exact 90-degree angle is known as right angle. This is the center point. We put our protector from the center point. Let's suppose we have a point A. What you have to place? You have to place the center point on point A. Then make an angle of whatever the 60 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree. Just remember one thing which is necessary. Put your protector from the center point. Okay? These are the basic informations related to the protector. Now, compass, already we have discussed why we use compass. The use of compass is making an arc. What is arc? This is an arc. This is an arc. You can see we make this arc through protector. And the simple lines, baseline, we use ruler for the simple lines. So in students, now it's time to wind up the class. Inshallah, we will continue our class. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and do all your work in your fair copy.